Good morning, students. Now we will start our English grammar class 3. Today we will do chapter 11, comparison of adjectives. Okay, read with me. Comparison between two things or person. The white dog is bigger than the brown dog. This sentence compares. Okay, you have already done about adjectives. So underline which word is adjective. The white dog is bigger. Dog. Which word is related to dog? It is white. So it is adjective. White dog. Brown dog. So now we will read in this chapter two comparison between these two words. We will write this word big. Big is firm. Big, bigger, biggest. और जब देखिए white dog and brown dog comparison between two dogs, so we will write bigger, and you can identify it by word then will come when we will comparison between two things or two person, then will come, then you will write bigger. This sentence compares white dog and the brown dog. Aryan is taller than Parul. It is also comparison between Aryan and Parul. So you will write taller, tall, taller, tallest. So आप taller, you will write taller here, and it is a sign of comparison between two things. This sentence compares two children, Aryan and Parul. A peacock is more beautiful than a parrot. So comparison between peacock and parrot. This sentence compares two birds, peacock and parrot. Then we compare two person, things or animals. We use er form of the adjective, जैसे bigger, taller. So sometimes we use more with the adjective, more beautiful. In these sentences we also use than. Now exercise 1. Choose suitable words from the box to fill in the blanks. First है a cat is dash than a dog. Then a cat is dash than a dog. So cat is smaller. Tiger, tiger is stronger. Car is more expensive than bike. August is longer than February. The sun is brighter than the moon. Now comparison between more than two things or persons. The grey dog is the biggest of all. Now look at this word all. It is a sign of difference between more than two things. All means grey dog is the biggest of all, means all grey dogs, but all these dogs, but this grey dog is bigger of all of them. In this sentence we are comparing three dogs, more than two, so we will write biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. So biggest is the form. It is the superlative degree of big. Amit is the tallest boy in the class. Now in whole class, in all students, Amit is the tallest. Peacock has most beautiful feathers. Means in all birds, parrot, peacock, pigeon, only peacock is the most beautiful feathers. When we compare between more than two persons, things or animals, we use est form. Look at here. Big, bigger, biggest. So when we will compare between two things, we will use bigger. When we will use more than two things, we will use biggest. Sometimes we use most with the adjective. Most beautiful. We also use the with the est form, the biggest, the tallest. Now filling the blanks with correct form of the words. Mine is the, देखिए here is the, so we will use youngest face in the crowd. It is young. When here the will come, you will use est. White color is dash, then when then will come, you will use er. The, with the you will use est, and with then you will use er. Yesterday Delhi experienced the dash temperature. The, so you will use est. Shrestha is dash then. Now comparison between Shrestha and Rohit, you will use er, stronger. Means the, when the will come, you will use est form. est. So check here, the, then you will use est, then you will use er, more beautiful, most beautiful, you will use this form. This is the dash building in the town. Means in all town it is the largest building, not larger, because the is here. So largest will come. A giraffe is the dash of all the animals. Means giraffe is the tallest in all the animals. So you will write here the. Now then you will see, and you will put here the, you will check now the, and in this line then. So you have to do this exercise and read the chapter properly.